Kusuke izidubedube ngaphakathi enkantolo njengoba uNtokozo Zikhali ubezobingelela imantshi. UZikhali waboshwa ngoLwesihlanu kulandela ukunyamalala kwengane yentombazanyana eneminyaka emine uBokgabo ngomsombuluko wangesonto eledlule. Inkantolo kuphoqeke ukuba iguqe njengoba ubaba weSisulu uzame ukuhlasela umsolwa. Izakhamuzi zaseWattsville bezithelwe ngezibonkolo zibhikisha ngaphandle kwenkantolo.
The guy that they have apprehended, he is not alone in this situation.
When you go to police station now, you'll find that they will tell you that their vehicles, they are not available into the community.
UNtokozo Zikhali sengokwesibili egila lomkhuba njengoba engaphandle ngebheyili kwelinye futhi icala lokudlwengulwa. Imantshi imtshele ukuthi uma kwenzeka etholakala enecala uzogwetshwa udilikajele. Umndeni kaBokgabo ufuna ubulungiswa.
Honestly, I feel as if the justice system, as Ubaba has spoken, is failing us. Already the guy has been arrested, yes, but what I do not understand is how does he get a lawyer to speak for him and a paid lawyer, Nokhali? Who is the lawyer paid by?
UNdunankulu wase Gauteng uPanyaza Lesufi wethembise izakhamuzi zaseWattsville ukuthi kuzojutshwa amaphoyisa athe xaxa ukulwa nobugebengu.
I will stop everything that is meaningless and put resources to confront crime. If we can't confront crime, we'll be in this situation literally every week.
Leli cala lihlehliselwe umhlazi ngama24 kuMfumfu kanti lizoqulwa eSithe.